The first question is for team Adarsh. Okay. The first question is for team Adarsh. You can unmute and be ready. And others in the group will not answer. Huh? जब इन चारों का हो जाएगा, then I'll call others also. Don't worry.
Okay.
Everyone will get chance. Okay. So first question is for the Adarsh team. There are two phases in exchange of gases. What are they? There are two
Ma'am,
phases exchange of gases.
external respiration and internal respiration.
Very good. External respiration and internal respiration. ना? अपने टीम मेंबर्स को याद रखना, ठीक है, कौन थे साथ में करके. आंचल एंड अंजलि. Okay, so Adarsh team has opened with 5 points. Then for Anchal's team,
Yes, ma'am.
external respiration happens in tissue. So it is also called tissue respiration. True or false?
Ma'am, false.
False. Good. Where does external respiration occur? Anchal group.
Yes, ma'am.
Where does it occur?
Ma'am, into the blood and carbon dioxide is excreted.
So it is occurring in the lungs, right?
Lungs.
So external
Yes, ma'am.
expression takes place in the lungs. Good. Both the teams have opened with 5 points. Now Anjali Sharma from Adarsh team. Bronchi are three in number. True or false? Bronchi are three in number. True or false? Yes. Anjali Sharma. Bronchi are two in number. दो होते हैं.
Ma'am,
या
may I?
तीन होते हैं? हाँ.
May I? Ma'am,
हाँ दर्श बोलो.
yes and true है. Ma'am, two होते हैं.
Two bronchi are there. Okay. Okay. Question is from Anjali from Anchal Gautam's group. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali has to be ready from Anchal Gautam's group. The lower free end of the nose is called lower free end of the nose is called.
मैं
हाँ अंजलि आपको ही बोलना है.
मैम, उसका नेटवर्क इशू हो रहा है, आवाज नहीं आ रही उसकी.
अच्छा. Okay, okay, Anchal, you can answer. Sorry, Anchal, you can
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Ma'am, it is tip.
It is tip or also called
Apex.
apex. Okay, good. So these teams can relax now. Devyani Chaudhary, Ishika Massey, Jatin, Julie.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Devyani and Julie are together. Ishika and Jatin are together. Okay. So question is first for Devyani group. The first question for Devyani group. The bony framework of external nose comprises of dash. The bony framework of external nose comprises of dash. Devyani Chaudhary group.
Ma'am, cartilaginous framework.
हाँ, उसमें क्या क्या है? कार्टिलेजियस
Yes,
फ्रेमवर्क
yeah.
में, बोनी
Two
फ्रेमवर्क
two
में क्या है?
nasal two nasal bones.
Ma'am, may I?
Two nasal bones forming the bridge of the nose and frontal processes of maxilla.
Okay. So bony framework of external nose has two nasal bones and what
Frontal
does it
processes
form?
of maxilla.
It forms a bridge of the nose and frontal process of maxilla.
Maxilla.
Good. Then question is for Ishika Massey group. Ishika Massey and Jatin Anand group. Ready? Vestibule has numerous coarse hairs called flagella. True or false? Ishika. Ishika. Jatin. Jatin Anand. What should I do with such things? What is the problem? How come two are not able to answer? Mic working है? Somebody can help them. Adarsh, can you help these people to unmute? These teams are not interested in playing. Deepak Joshi and okay. Teams remain same. Devyani Chaudhary and Julie, you all are together only. The next team that has come up, Ishika and Jatin, have not answered. Fatima Rahman and
Yes, ma'am.
Deepak Joshi and Fatima Rahman. Okay. So my question remains that vegetables have numerous coarse hairs called flagella. True or false?
False.
Ma'am, false.
Okay. What are they called?
May
Vibracy.
press say.
Okay, good. Both have scored 5 marks. Okay, next. ये कौन गया? जूली चली गई.
No,
लिया
ma'am.
हुआ है जूली को? देवयानी को अकेले छोड़ के चली गई जूली. चलो देवयानी, I'll give you one more person along with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Apurva is there with you. ठीक है?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Question for Devyani group and Apurva has to answer. Upper 1/3 of nasal cavity has dash. Upper 1/3 of nasal cavity has dash.
Olfactory receptor cells.
Okay. Olfactory receptor cells. Also, can you add information on it? What is the color of mucosa there?
Yellowish.
Good. It is yellow in color. Good. Okay. Now the next question is for Deepak Joshi and Fatima Rahman.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैं 2 मिनट के लिए लीव हो गई थी मैम, पता नहीं आपने क्या पूछा मुझसे मैम.
हाँ, अभी आप चले गए ऑडियंस में, मैंने उसे एक और पार्टिसिपेंट दे दिया ना. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द मीडियल वॉल और नेजल सेप्टम. दीपक जोशी एंड फातिमा रहमान, listen carefully. Medial wall or nasal septum. The question is, the bony part of nasal septum is formed mainly by dash and dash. Deepak Joshi and Fatima Rahman.
Ma'am, by vomer and the perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone.
Okay, good. By vomer and perpendicular plate of ethmoid bone. Good. Okay, you all also can now. Okay. Now tell me, if somebody is again called कि मैम हमें बुला लिया है करके already. ठीक है. This one, Ayush, then Vipasha, Gunjan, okay. Ayush and Vipasha are together. Gunjan and Mahi are together. Ayush
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
and Mahi and Gunjan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready. Question is for Mahi Arora and group, Mahi and Gunjan. Arterial supply of septum. Septum is supplied by branches of anterior ethmoidal artery, which is a branch of dash artery.
Ophthalmic artery.
Okay, good. Ophthalmic artery. Next question for Ayush and Dipasha group. Nasal septum gets its nerve supply from ophthalmic nerve. True or false? Nasal septum gets
False.
its Then what are the nerve supplies then? What are the nerve supplies? Nasal septum gets its nerve supply from,
Ma'am, olfactory nerve.
yes, olfactory nerve, anterior ethmoidal nerve, and third is nasopalatine nerve. Okay, next question for Mahi Arora from Mahi Arora and Gunjan group. Mahi,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. What is the full form of DNS? Full form of DNS.
Deviated nasal septum.
Very good. It is deviated nasal septum. Question for Ayush Dutt Sharma from Ayush and Bipasha group.
हाँ जी मैम.
A condition where nasal dorsum यानी आपकी जो bridge of nose है that gets depressed, it's called dash. है?
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Bridge of nose gets depressed.
हम भी जो depressed.
Ma'am, saddle nose.
Saddle nose, मैम saddle nose.
हाँ,
Saddle
बिल्कुल.
nose.
Saddle nose. Okay. क्वेश्चन आयुष के लिए था. एनीवे ग्रुप ने आंसर किया है. गुड. एक और राउंड आप लोगों के साथ में कंप्लीट करेंगे, फिर आप लोग जा सकते हैं. एक मिनट. क्वेश्चन फॉर माही अरोरा एंड गुंजन. Lateral wall of nose is very regular and smooth. True or false?
False.
Okay. False. गुंजन का माइक को क्या हो गया?
मैम वो अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा था, अब हुआ है.
हाँ, ठीक है. Anyway, Mahi has handled it. Answer is correct. It is false. The lateral wall of nose is irregular, है ना? And let us go further. Ayush Dutt and Bipasha will tell why is it irregular? Lateral wall of nose. Why is it irregular? Lateral wall of nose. हाँ.
मैम बोनी प्रोजेक्शन प्रेजेंट होता है उसमें इस वजह से होता है.
Yes.
ओल्ड कॉनकाई.
Concae and turbinates, है ना?
Yes
Oh,
मैम.
good.
Yes मैम.
All of you have actively participated. Very good.
Thank you मैम.
Yes.
Thank you,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
मैम. मैम
हाँ,
आप
जी.
मुझसे पूछ लो. मैम मैं लीव हो गई थी मैम.
हाँ, लेती हूँ, वापस लेती हूँ टीम में. ठीक है. I will take you and let me see नेहा. माही हो गया. निधि मौर्य नहीं हुई ना? निधि मौर्य. कनिका जोशी. Okay. Hope the teams are ready. Julie is with Neha Rajora and Kanika is with Nidhi Maurya. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm talking about inferior meatus. ठीक है. Lateral wall of nose में superior meatus, middle meatus, inferior meatus. The inferior meatus lies underneath the dash. Nidhi Maurya and Kanika Joshi.
Inferior concave.
Okay, inferior concave. And let us see further. It is guarded by a mucosal fold. Neha Rajora and Julie. It is guarded by a mucosal fold which is called
mucosal fold called ma'am valve of Hasner. Sorry, ma'am.
हाँ, valve of Hasner. Okay, one round of questions are over. Now the next question is olfactory epithelium. Olfactory epithelium is yellow in color. True or false?
Ma'am, true.
Julie, olfactory epithelium is pale in color.
Pale in color.
Is pale in color. Okay, now I'll tell whom I'm asking so that you all will not get confused. Last round of questions for you all. Neha Rajora, question is frontal air sinus is situated in front of ethmoid bone. True or false? Neha Rajora from Neha Julie group.
Yes, ma'am.
Question is frontal air sinus is situated in the ethmoidal bone. सही है
Ma'am.
गलत है? हाँ?
Ma'am, false.
Madam is false. Frontal air sinus is situated in the frontal bone. है ना? Okay. Kanika Joshi and Nidhi Moria, the question is name the largest among the air sinuses when we talk about
Maxillary.
paranasal. Okay, good. It is maxillary. Okay, मैं
Maxillary
एक
air
एक
sinus.
क्वेश्चंस पूछ रही हूँ, आपको thoroughly सारे प्रिपेयर करना है क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता कौन सा क्वेश्चन आएगा. Okay. Now, who is left? आदर्श, आकांक्षा, अंचल, अंजलि, आयुष, विपाशा, चंचल, दीपक जोशी, राइट? दीपक सिंह का नहीं हुआ है. दीपक सिंह, देवयानी, फातिमा, गुंजन, इशिका, जतिन, जूली, कनिका, अपूर्वा, मधु का नहीं. दो ही लोग बचे हैं. और कोई बचा है?
मैम चंचल.
Yes, ma'am.
एक मिनट. चंचल.
यस मैम
Yes,
चंचल
ma'am.
बची है.
चंचल कैसे रहेगी? 3 वाला ग्रुप हो गया. और कौन आना चाहता है क्विज के लिए? नेहा रजोरा. ओके, गुड. ओके, 4 की ग्रुप बन गई है. मधु एंड दीपक आर टुगेदर. हाँ,
मैम वो आपने टेस्ट जो लिया था मैम, वो मेरा गलती से मैम बस एक क्वेश्चन हुआ था और वो गलती से सबमिट हो गया था.
हाँ, ठीक है. फाइनल वाले में मत करना है सर.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है. Okay, so groups are Deepak Singh and Madhu are together. Neha and Chanchal Kumari Gautam are together, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Question for Deepak Singh. Questions खत्म हो गए क्या? Irritation of nasal mucosa leads to dash. Irritation of nasal mucosa leads to dash. दीपक सिंह.
हम सोच रहे हैं.
क्या?
हम सोच रहे हैं.
Again to repeat. Irritation.
ma'am.
Irritation of nasal mucosa causes dash.
Ma'am, sneezing.
Okay, good. Sneezing. Question for Chanchal Kumari from Chanchal Neha group. Chanchal Neha, nice name.
Yes, ma'am.
Human beings naturally are mouth breathers or nose breathers? Human beings are naturally mouth breathers or nose breathers?
Ma'am, nose.
Are nose breathers. ठीक है. Okay. Question for Madhu. Madhu and Deepak Singh group. Length of the larynx. What is the length of the larynx?
Ma'am, नहीं पता.
मधु, लैरिंग्स की लंबाई कितनी है? लेंथ कितनी है?
मधु बता.
3 centimeter.
Ma'am, 4.3. Ma'am, 4.3 centimeter.
4.3 centimeters.
3 centimeter.
Yes. Then last question for Neha Rajora and Chanchal Kumari Gautam.
Yes, ma'am.
Color of vocal fold. What is the color of vocal fold? वोकल कॉर्ड भी बोलते हो ना, उसका कलर क्या होता है?
Ma'am,
नेहा रजोरा.
ma'am,
Ma'am, purely white fold.
हाँ,
Ma'am, white.
पर्ली वाइट.
Purely white.
प्योरली नहीं, पर्ल. पर्ल करके आप बोल सकते हो. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
All have participated well. Good. So you have got an idea. ऐसे long answer, short answer questions के अलावा ऐसे भी questions आ सकते हैं आपके online वाले में, है ना? Such questions can also be there. ठीक है? So
Yes, ma'am.
you all should be prepared to answer all such questions. So I am actually sorry, I am not able to award you with gifts or anything for the quiz. Today everyone has participated well. So all I can give
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
is best wishes for your exams. ठीक है? अभी
Thank
कब
you,
है?
ma'am.
कल की है ना रिविजन?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
कल
ma'am.
के लिए प्रिपेयर करके आ सकते हो आप लोग. I will tell you from where to where. Respiratory system ही है. Okay. All these chocolates you all can take. All the groups can take chocolate. जिसको जितना चाहिए ले लो.
Thank you,
मैम
ma'am.
ये तो है.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now giving chocolate is the safest. That's why I gave now. Otherwise, so many students I'll have to give. Okay. So yes, let's be serious now. We are talking about class. कल आप लोग कल भी है ना, आप आगे का पढ़ के आओ. लैरिंग्स से आगे का जो पोर्शन है, study in such a way that you study for MCQ as well as for short answer questions. कल का शायद कुछ short answer टाइप में हो सकता है. ठीक है. I may say 2 people to come forward, or 1 person will be put on spotlight and they will be asked explain about transport of oxygen, explain about oxygen hemoglobin dissociation curve. उस तरह से एक या दो को बुलाया जाएगा. आप लोग दो रहते हो तो अच्छे से आंसर कर रहे हो, बट एग्जाम यू हैव टू गिव अलोन ओनली ना, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best.